Her name is Nainika.
Nainika, very
Nainika.
pretty name.
They asked me one question, will you resign this job for your daughter? So I just told them, so I'm not going to resign. If I resign, I won't be a good example for my daughter. I want her to be independent, be consistent. Hard work will definitely pay off. Actually, if you have not succeeded this time, there will be some fault. Definitely, there will be some fault. I'm sure about that. In my case, there was.
I'm waiting for the so many long time for the Kerala.
So can you hear me properly?
Yes. Your voice is audible.
Okay.
Amita, first introduce your marks and introduce yourself and introduce about your all which bank you have got.
Sir, my name is Amrita. I'm from Kerala. I have secured 85.7 marks in the IBPS mains exam. So combined IBPS mains and interview. And I have done my post-graduation in horticulture. That's it.
Okay. So Amrita, what are the strong point it should be in a IBPS CFO aspirant?
So there should be consistency, sir. I think hard work is necessary, but more than that, we should be consistent. We should never think that if we don't get it, we should never we will never achieve it. In my case itself, it's my second chance. I have written this exam 2-3 times, but genuinely speaking, it's my second time because I have prepared 2 times, and last time it was like I didn't prepare properly for the mains exam, so I lost it. So there was a reason. I know the reason I have lost there. So I started preparing it again, and that's it. And I was consistent in everything. It's not like I did it for 2 days and next day I stopped. I was consistent. I think that's the main point we should go for.
What are the main reason you have spoken about the reason? What are the main reason of your last year failure?
Sir, I prepared well for the prelims. I focused more on the prelims than that of the mains exam. That was the key point. I understood it this time and I rectified it. Sir, I think general agriculture is the main thing. I have followed the notes of Gurukul Agri, and plus I have followed this Nemrat Sunda. And I think only that is needed. Last time also when I saw the question paper, I studied everything. But I think I said 2-3 notes I have studied. But the main thing is that we can follow Gurukul Agri and this Nemrat Sunda. Both are very effective for any candidate.
Okay.
It's not
Amrita,
like
what are, how many attempts in your mains?
Sir, it was 53.
53, and you have a very good accuracy. You got 50 point some
50.5.
50.5. Okay. And how many marks you got in interview?
18.5.
18.5. Yeah. It is like amazing. If someone got 18.5 marks out of 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please share your experience of your interview, because 18 marks is very much
Yes, sir. First of all, I will have to say that my interview panel was very friendly with me, and I was the last candidate they have interviewed on that day. I was the last candidate, and I was actually very much pressurized about that because every candidate, I can see everyone coming and going, and I was very much under pressure. So I went to the interview, but they were very friendly. And they asked me, it was not like they were asking me about the seed rate, nothing like that. They didn't ask me anything like that. They asked me to introduce myself. And I think I have prepared a good introduction. And when I said the introduction itself, they were okay. You are, they think that I am prepared for that. So they are very much satisfied. And after that, sir, I have a daughter. She's just 2 months old. So they asked me how you are going to do the bank and the family life, how you are going to get the balance between both of that. And I have answered it I think I have answered pretty well. But after interview, I was thinking that I didn't know the criteria on which they are going to give me marks, because they were very friendly and they asked me some agri questions. They asked me about banking, repo rate, reverse repo rate. Some banking questions were there, but not major. I was thinking very tough questions when I was going to be in front of them. But it was very good. I just had a very friendly talk with them. That was it.
The reason of good marks in your interview is you gave a very good example of women empowerment on the front of.
They asked me one question, will you resign this job for your daughter? So I just told them, so I'm not going to resign. If I resign, I won't be a good example for my daughter. I want her to be independent and financially independent. Now, if I resign this job now, I won't be such an example for her. And they were just smiled and they told me, okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, it's over.
That's a very good impression you put on.
I think that would be the 18.5.
What is the name of your daughter?
Her name is Nainika.
Nainika, very
Nainika.
pretty name. God bless her, and
Yes.
our best blessing of her. And how old are your daughter now?
I'm 27 years old.
Okay. Amrita, any kind of strategy or any kind of your experience you feel it should be in the IBPS CFO aspirant? And how
Strategy,
prepare well?
yes. If you are, from my point of view, everyone's strategy will be different. Don't give much focus on the prelims. Actually, it is important. In my first attempt, I had that was my major fault. I gave a lot of importance for prelims exam. I went on practicing that itself. But when it came this time, I just give more importance to the mains exam. Prelims was on my side. I just focused prelims just on from November, December only. I started preparing well. I was going on preparing on the mains only. I used to prepare short notes on every Gurukul. Let me say, I just thoroughly studied every chapter in Gurukul Agri. That was the main thing. Except general agri, some topics I didn't study. Other than agronomy, soil science, everything, I just studied
General
thoroughly.
agriculture is same like you got in Nimra Sundar and RK Sharma.
Yeah, Nimrod Sundar. That was the reason. And every other subject I studied well. I have made short notes of that, and I revised it many times. And it's not like we have studying something, and if the exam is different, don't think like that. We should be prepared always. I was prepared with schemes. I was prepared with everything at that time of exam. So it was like if they asked about the schemes also, it was okay for me. It is like some year they only ask about schemes, some year they ask general questions, but last 2 years they are asking on general ideas. But we can't expect IBPS to ask the same questions again and again. So we should be prepared for the worst, prepared for the best questions. And this other than the notes, this MCQs that test series, that was really really helpful for me, because I had my delivery on January 4th, when the mains exam is. And after that, I didn't have any time to sit and study, after delivery, and it was very difficult for me. So I only prepared that MCQ question. I just went on doing that questions only. That's it.
Amrita, hats off you from my side to you.
Nothing like that. It's not like that. But I was prepared before that. It's why I was prepared.
Okay, Amrita, any message to those candidates who are first-time achiever in mains and second-time achiever in mains, but not get finally selected in banks?
Be consistent. Hard work will definitely pay off. Actually, if you have not succeeded this time, there will be some fault. Definitely, there will be some fault. I'm sure about that. In my case, there was. And we should understand that fault and rectify it. That's the only thing we have to do. And we should be consistent. It's not like we can't do anything, we can't do that. We can do that. In my case, it was amidst of everything. I had every consequences. I had my delivery, I had baby, and I don't know what all I went through at that time. But finally, it paid off. That's it.
And I'm very happy to hear about that word you are saying. It is amazing.
Thank you.
You did a very good job.
Yeah, I did something. That's all.
Okay, Amrita, it was nice talking to you. Any message for us or any other candidate if you want to say?
Sir, it's not message. I'm giving an appreciation. I think, sir, your notes are very good. Actually, it's not. I'm not telling for advertising or something like that. It's very good. Last year also, in 1920 exam also, I purchased that Gurukul Agri note, but I didn't go through thoroughly. That's the main thing I didn't get. But this time I just practiced the mock test and also the notes, and that was really helpful for me, sir.
Okay,
it's worth. That's it.
Okay, Amrita, wish you very all the best, and for your daughter, God bless her.
Thank you, sir.
Live very long life, and you also. And wish you very all the best.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, Amrita. It was nice talking.